I'm too tired to chew.
I'm so tired, I've got Al's bra on. And I don't even care.
Oh, man. Did you guys hear Dad snoring last night? Sound like a seal trying to huck up a loogie.
Good morning, everybody.
Dad, you have got to do something about your snoring. You kept everyone up all night.
It wasn't me snoring. It was Carol.
My mother snores? How unattractive. I hope it's not hereditary. Hello, everybody. Isn't it a beautiful morning?
What? Nobody got any sleep last night because somebody was snoring.
That's funny. I didn't hear you snoring.
It wasn't me snoring. It was you.
Me? It's impossible. Women don't snore. It's a guy thing. It's like spitting and scratching.
Well, if it wasn't you snoring, there was a big moose with a blonde wig sleeping with me.
Well, that is ridiculous. I have never snored in my life. Why would I suddenly start now?
Well, actually, Mom, there's a very good medical explanation. You see, it's all part of the aging process. First, your nasal passages are collapsing. Your uvula's elongating. And face it, Mom, gravity's taking everything down south.
Well, Mark, not everything.
Well, I don't care what anyone says. I was not snoring.
Mother, we all heard it.
All right. What did it sound like?